All right, let's go ahead and practice some of our times 3 facts together, okay? So let's read the read the number sentence and say the answer together. Everyone, get ready. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 equals 18. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3 equals 27. Good job. All right, we can do the matching over here on the right-hand side now. We've got 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. Whoops. 6 times 3 equals 18. 0 times 3 equals 0. And 4 times 3 equals, you got it, 12. All right, so part number 3 says fill in the missing factors. So what number times 3 equals 6? Think about it. 2, good. What number times 3 equals 21? 7, good. Excuse my handwriting, 7. What number times 3 equals 3? Yes, 1. What number times 3 equals 27? Get ready. 9. What number times 3 equals 12? Get ready. 4. All right, let's go over to the other side and finish up our matching. 8 times 3 equals 24. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 7 times 3 equals 21. 2 times 3 equals 6.